The Sandigan Bayan page. This page includes information about the purpose of the Sandigan Bayan branch of the judiciary and includes information about its members, its decisions, and other information requiring its vacancies, requirements, and procedures. As you can see, its members, its contact details, and other links related to Sandigan Bayan page.